gonna do that.
Action.
Yeah. Ready?
No, my bum's on display. All good this side if you push it. Oh, swing.
Is it on the corner?
Yeah, it needs to come over. Yeah, now we're in.
Check the foil.
Drama.
Check the foil.
Please do it by the... Goes this way.
Yeah, looks good. Feels good, yeah.
What's this?
Estonian fluff.
So we're going to hammer our way now.
That's on.
Hammer? Up the middle?
Yeah, you go for hammer.
Oh, you're going to do it.
Okay.
Fine, you hold that, I'll do it.
Do we need to cut?
Same thing again.
Yeah. Yeah, on. Oops. That's touching the purlin, so there's no way it's going to move. That one is not good. Yeah. You wanna do your carpentry?
We're going to screw through the purlin, aren't we, to hold these in place. Screw right through into these, aren't we? From the outside.
Outside, yeah.
So the only one we didn't have, well, it'd be these two, wouldn't it?
Yeah. They started the wall too high. So we've managed to put so far 3 roof panels in. Well, third one under construction. Whilst I lift this corner first, try and get it right and then push it that way.
Tight to it.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, we know it.
So we need to push on the front corner.
Oh, it's good. Yeah. It's good.
Any more?
If you can, fill up.
It's way up on the wall here.
Well, try this. How is that one?
No. That's alright, but this one's way up. Okay, that's... That's just because it needs pulling down.
Build the house, they said. It's fun, they said. the last one, we need to make sure we put the trims on, isn't it?
Huh?
Or somehow secure it. If we're putting the
Trims.
last one in,
Yeah.
we need to make sure we're securing it somehow.
The trims?
No, the actual panel.
Yeah, well, we can go from the outside, at least at the front.
Yeah.
We'll sort it out now.
I'm just wondering whether we want to do that or leave it. We want to do it.
Well, I thought you wanted to get, you've been wanting to get as far as we can.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I'm thinking of that Wednesday wet rain, 14 mil.
I know. Waterproof one, isn't it?
Huh?
We need to have.
Well, that membrane would help a lot.
Hmm. Yeah.
We'll, I don't know. What does it say about the last one? They doing the instructions?
Oh no. You do that yourself. I need to put the remaining roof boards on, which for some of those we need to trim.
Yeah.
We could even just put the membrane on but not attach it, isn't it?
Hmm.
And just let it set and then put tarpaulin on top.
Yeah. I did.
You said Monday, it's half decent weather, is it?
Tomorrow, yeah, I don't know what Tuesday or Wednesday, shit. Oh, Thursday.
We could try to do a little bit on Tuesday. Monday evening. To work. That board is for this one. Not that it matters. Where's the other board? Oh, that's outside then. That board is still right there on the tray, isn't it? So this is how you attach them. Oops, that's the way. But yeah, you want to put that on first? I think we've got problems.
Oh, we'll find out if we've got water in there. I should have not pushed it up really. We'll pull it up further now. Do it, Sarah.
It's raining again. That's it. This is not in the instructions. We just thought the sides that are not attached to anything, we're going to attach them from inside, and then we're going to try and attach them from above as well.
There is a trim that goes along here
Oh, look at
that
that.
screws into one of the purlins. Well, we're going to screw it here, aren't we?
Yes, yeah, you're right.
From like here.
Yeah. Perfect. No.
Happy? Looking good though, YouTube, isn't it?
Yeah, so far we're really pleased. Well, it keeps the rain out
Yeah.
and it's quite warm already.
It does feel alright in here. It's a little chilly. Alright.
Oh, I've got no heating and it's 3 degrees outside and we are now
It's a 3-dimensional. Are we going to put the trims across here now then?
silicone first. A step again that I invented. Now I'm going to advise Dunster House make amendments to the
What colour
instructions.
silicone?
Clear.
Excellent.
But yeah, not sure what to do with decorations and stuff. I've been to B&Q today as well, just to see outside paint. We are locked in, I think, light green house and grey windowsills. So taking inspiration from Dunster House sample, this one, that sample picture, but just changing the colour to green, light green. So, but yeah, inside I've got no idea yet. Thinking leaving it as it is. Carpet on the floor. So this house is a 4.5 by 3.5, although the size is actually 4.4 and 3.3 outside. inside it's slightly smaller. Super happy so far what we've done.
Quite a bit of it on that side.
It's carpenter's skills then.
Hello YouTube. I was telling my daughters the other day that I got this when I was in university. That's 30 years ago. I'll probably get cut out that though. It's sitting on here, please.
Yeah.
What are we, 19 mil? I think we're all right. Let's move it out a bit.
Yeah.
I'm not cutting it, mate.
No, you're miles away.
That's all right. Gone through it?
Yep.
Okay, here we go.
Oops. Let's see how it fits. Like a glove. There you go.
Right,
Yeah.
but then it comes down, we seal it, don't we?
Mhm.
Is that one right there?
Yeah. It's just because there's loads of.
We cut that bit or something?
No.
We're not interested.
No, not interesting. I'm ready.
Okay,
Yeah.
you come over this way a little bit.
Yeah.
No, too much. There you go. There we are. Just watch your fingers.
Yeah. Yeah.
We won't go anywhere anyway.
No, that's attached to the pulling. Yeah. Free.
A lot of nails. Got a lot of nails.
Yeah. So that was quite a quick one. Let's try the last one now.
Similar thing here, I would imagine.
Screws out.
It's, yeah, they won't move that purl in there. We do those vents from outside, presumably.
Oh, no rain.
Isn't that?
Rain again.
Is it?
That's the side I like. Probably find that side.
You're right there.
Oh, look, I'll just do a bit here then. Look, all fine all the way. It's just where the purling is, hun.
There's going to be a problem there, look. In that corner.
Maybe a little bit. Yeah. Cut
Chip
that
it a little bit off
Yeah.
then.
and a little bit just to add that piece.
On the end of that, is that?
Yeah.
That's That's how it is. That's the outside.
Yeah, so a little.
This frame here. Hello, YouTube. That's number 3, which I didn't mark. Oh, long one. The long one, isn't it?
Yeah.